Meet Marijke McCandless, a true embodiment of life's beautiful contradictions. She's a writer, communication specialist, and a playfulness instigator, embracing the delightful balance between being a type of perfectionist and a wild, creative spirit. Marijke's journey led her to create Right Now Mine, an online writing practice that helps others discover their wild, messy, and authentic words. Through her immersion experiences in meditation, writing, and enlivenment, she guides others on their path to self-discovery. In 2016, she published More, Journey to Mystical Union Through the Sacred and the Profane, a memoir that's received awards and accolades ever since. But her story doesn't end with writing. Marijke is a fearless adventurer. From rock climbing to scuba diving to hiking, she's always seeking the thrill of the great outdoors. She's a source of inspiration, a guide on the path to self-discovery, and a living testament to the joy of embracing life's imperfections. Join her in the journey of listening, playing, and writing. Join Marijke McCandless on this transformative journey. Let her work